Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I'm getting ready to do some embroidery on my silver Viscount, and I thought I'd show you about how I hoop it. This bit is the bit that goes in the arm that moves it around where it needs to be. So this bit is what will go into the throat of your machine. You've got your clip to bring it back, and this adjusts it to get it tighter, well, tauter. And what I'm doing is one of the patterns that are on it. So I'll cut out basically the size for this hoop, which is the 5x7 hoop, 120 by 180 millimeters, I think. But it's the largest size for the silver Viscount. The other size is, now you can see the difference between those two. This is 4x4, which is so small you couldn't do much at all. And this is the size that, like, your brother machines, your brother Disney ones, that's the only size it will take. I think it's the only size it will take. That's the size that it comes with anyway. So that's another reason why I decided to get this silver Viscount, so I can have this smaller size, but I can go to a larger size. But as I said, I've got here some tearaway stabilizer. You can buy it on eBay. I haven't yet come up with a preferred brand or anything, and the roll I've got, I can't remember how much it cost me, but I have been using it for do quite a bit with. But I've cut out enough that it'll go there. The fabric I'm using is this calico, and that I'll put on top. You put this bit inside, and if you look where your hook thing is to tighten it down, go and adjust the sides opposite first, and then press them in. And this camera might pick it up, there are one or two folds. So what I do is, once it's clipped in, I hold it across the middle, press that down, and then I go round it. Don't pull your tear away, because it'll tear away. Just pull slightly all the way around. Just the fabric. As you can see now, it's more taut. So what I do is take it to the edge of my table, and then wind. You don't have to take it to the edge of the table, but I wind this button round, and by taking it to the edge of the table, I've got more and grip more of it. It's awkward to grip here, so I take it to the edge of my table, and then just make sure that it's still nice and taut, because you want it taut like a drum. and that's now ready to put in the machine.